of the most recognizable insulations on the market, fiberglass is a type of insulation that is either blown in or installed in bats. As its name suggests, it's made out of molten glass that's spun into tiny fibers, a lot like how cotton candy is made, which contributes to its distinguishable appearance. Although fiberglass may look fluffy and harmless, our operations manager, John Payne, recommends you not be tempted to touch it.
Right. Although the glass is in the form of tiny fibers, it is still very sharp. So when you come into contact with this form of insulation, the fibers can become lodged in your skin, and that's what causes the itchy and sometimes painful sensations.
So what should you do if you do happen to accidentally touch it?
My number one go-to would be an air compressor and try to get as much of it off that way as possible. You just really want to avoid rubbing it in, because that will actually cause the glass to become lodged even deeper into your skin.
So does that mean you should avoid washing your hands?
Not at all. That would be my second go-to, but I would really avoid the whole washing motion. Yeah.
Okay. So if it does happen to get lodged in your skin, about how long does it take to come out?
Typically just 3 to 5 days, depending on your skin.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
It's important to wear proper protective gear around insulation in general. A dust mask, safety goggles, and gloves should be worn at all times. Long sleeves and pants, or a protective suit, is also highly recommended in order to cover up completely. Because the primary component of this insulation is glass, there are beneficial qualities from the inorganic material. It does not feed mold or mildew, and it's naturally non-combustible. However, it can melt under extreme temperatures. Fiberglass insulation slows the rate at which heat transfers through a building enclosure. Having a properly insulated building helps prevent heat from escaping or entering, which can overwork your air conditioner in the summer and your heater in the winter. Preventing this aids in regulating temperature and thus your energy bill. The rate at which insulation slows heat transfer is called resistance value, or R value. R value is a numerical value for the resistance of heat. The higher that number, the better the resistance. Blown-in fiberglass has around R 2.7 per inch of depth, while fiberglass bats have about R 3 per inch of thickness. Fiberglass can be installed in bats or blown-in form. Bats are preformed rectangles designed to fill a specific space. While generally installed upright in walls, they are also rolled out in attics or used in floor joists. This is in order to fill a space, such as a stud cavity or the pockets between floor joists. Blown-in fiberglass is a loose-fill insulation that fills irregular spaces better. This is more often used in attics to get in small or uneven areas. Fiberglass is one of the most cost-efficient insulations on the market. It's used both in residential and commercial applications. As a less labor-intensive installation, it can be installed quickly with fewer specialized tools, without extensive setup time. It's the valued choice for improving efficiency and comfort in your home. Your local Koala Insulation contractor is focused on providing the best insulation for your building. Call today to see if fiberglass can solve your insulation needs.